Hamtech, welcome back to my videos on the Diaglink diagnostic tool by Autel. We're going to quickly get it out of the box. Now, I've already tested this device and it's quite unique because you can pretty much load up any car. Now, you do have to upload each car. You get one for free, so I've loaded up my Peugeot on there. Peugeot 308. My wife's got a Ford Cougar, so I'll probably load that one on as well. There is a setup process, a initial setup process. Let's just get it out of the bag. It's all very well packaged and a high quality device. Very pleased with it when I was using it, and I shall show you. It comes preloaded with a SD card there, and you've got a micro or a mini USB connection there, and the cable is included for that. Just one of those square type ones. And then you get the main connection lead, all housed in this very nice bag. We'll just connect that on. Like so, it only goes on one way round, so you can't go far wrong. And then secured with these two screws here. And as soon as you plug this into your vehicle, it all comes to life. Or you can connect it via the micro for programming. So we'll just plug that in. Other end's gone into my Windows PC, Windows 11. And that's enough to power this device up. You do get this quick reference guide, which I recommend you do use because you're going to need the software to get you to the website Autel.com, and there's your connection lead. And the one you need to definitely download, and I'll show it later in the video, is the Maxi PC suite. Because if you watch videos, because this is 2024, and if you watch videos, they're a bit out of date, so some of the selections that you make are different. So once you've downloaded, we're going to start using Maxi Suite to upload the car that you want to add. The first one is free, so if I just quickly go to scan on the actual car, because it will act as a normal Obd tester straight away. It will just do that. It's not connected to my car, so it's loading up just your basic Obd tester. And you'll see the step-by-step instructions there for downloading and uploading your car just here. And then this is the one I use to reset the parking brake on my car, EPB. Full scan of every system on your car, and then you've got update and setup. Most of this you don't really use. There's your oil reset if you want your service light gone. And I'll show you the setup just there. It's more about what you're looking at. So, you've got your language and your beep sounds and about the device that this is. More about this device, okay? So let's get over to the PC. So remember, cable here, and then the other end's gone into my Windows PC. Okay, we're at my Windows PC. You will need to register your device. If you go to this website that I have provided a link for, go to register your tool, and you will get this page come up. I'll just go to the page that I have saved. Right, so here, go to your device, and we're going to select settings. So you're plugged in. As soon as you're plugged in via USB, it comes on. Go to your device, go down to setup, enter, and then navigate yourself to about just here, enter, and then it's going to have all the passwords that I don't want you to see. So it's going to have your serial number and your register password. You're going to need that to enter just here. So all you do is serial number here, password that's written on your device, this little code that changes, submit. Once you've done that, you're registered, and then you get this new window appear. And I do recommend you reboot and restart the software, otherwise sometimes this new window does not appear. Once you've done that, you get this page. Okay, Now all I did was went to this section here on the left and clicked PC Suite, and the only one that worked for my tool, and I've got the newest tool available 2024, was actually this one here, Maxi PC Suite. So download that for free. Okay, click download and then run that software. You'll see it appear here in your downloads. Click that and then set up, get all this messages set up like so, and just go next, 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 next. And eventually you'll get a shortcut appear. So I'm going to cancel that because I've already done it, you see. So cancel. I'll show you the shortcut. So if you click your Windows square, click Maxi PC Suite and go yes. And so hopefully it's gonna, well, it will connect to your device. You might have to unplug it and plug it back in a couple of times. It says failed to find device, so we're just going to go like that, unplug it in until it finds it. So what I had to do to make it connect, I had to go back to my device here, navigate to where it says update, select OK, and then plug it into my PC, and then it found it. See, it appears now. Okay, and you can see if you scroll down here on the left or right, no, on the right, sorry, you'll see that they're all now saying purchase because you get one for free. And so I went down to the Peugeot one, installed that. So if we go to installed, and look, you'll see there, and you can uninstall them if you want. And we go back to updates. Now my wife's got a Ford Cougar. I wonder if it's there. So there's one here, look, Ford. Could be that one. Look, you got all the oil reset Ford. So to get the Ford, you'd have to go purchase. Click here, purchase. Then you got to pay. And it says purchase what you want at the website. So if I go payment complete, it's going to check and go, you haven't paid. But you get the idea. But when you first get the device, it will say free, and you get one free, and then you just pay for the additional. Once you've paid, you will select the one, and then click update selected, and then it will just send it all to your device. And you can see when your device is in link mode, it looks like this. And then so let's just show you it connecting to my car, and then we'll end the video. Okay, we're at the Peugeot 308. The sensor is in front of the gear knob. Annoyingly, you have to pull this off, pull this plate off, and then it reveals the sensor there. Bit blurry, but anyway, get your tool and make sure it's the right way round. So the wider edge at the top, and then we're just going to push that into place. So obviously every car has a different location for the OBD connector. So we're now presented with this, and then turn on the ignition, but you don't have to start the car, just turn on your ignition. And then if you just select this item here, it will just do a normal OBD test. So if we just go OK, it does take a minute or so, let it do its thing. And lucky me, you know, there's no codes. I just press the OK, and then we can got system status, read codes, erase, live data, freeze, frame, monitor test. These are all standard tests. They're not actually specific to this vehicle. If we escape, like so, escape, then yes, then go across. Now I cleared my ABS error, parking brake errors, just selecting this P here. So I went OK, and then I chose my car. OK, Peugeot, because these are the common ones, aren't they? We're going to escape from that. I don't want to mess with it. Escape, then go down, look, oil reset. So that's your service, you know, your car's due for a service. Press OK. New session. Go down, choose your car. 308 I'm in. And I just chose the top one. I'm not sure what the 4 port test means. I've just got an estate. And there it is. It's found the VIN code. Click yes. Oil reset. And if you've got any oil reset lights up, that will get rid of them. It takes you to this window. Sorry, it's not completely clear. Read codes. And then you can raise. And these codes in this window are specific to your vehicle now. And I did find you've got to try it a couple of times. If you get the failed to connect thing, you know, don't give up. Keep trying. I found that eventually I did actually start the car, which I'll do now actually. And I found that it did actually communicate better. I just started. Let's try again. And you'll see I've got no codes at all now, and they were cleared by this device. Yeah, and it's now letting me reset. Maintenance indicator reset done. Okay. Let's try read codes again. You can hear the engine running. And then the other thing I did, I went to the top, over to scan, selected the car. You can see all the different cars you can select. Peugeot. New session. 308. Again. I had that last time, but I found that if I escaped and went back in about the not reading the VIN number, eventually it just did it. Yeah, so just persevere. Another thing I did was to ignore the fact that it needs to read the VIN number. And then I went down, see that? I ignored it, went down to control you and hit enter. It takes a good minute, and then you get to this window. I went down to active passive safety, click OK. Then you've got ABS or ESP ECU. And then ABS, pressed OK, 8.1 I selected. And the ESP is the handbrake. Okay, well it worked for me. Bye for now.